In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can permanently stop pop-up notifications on your Microsoft Teams app. So if you have been receiving a lot of pop-up notifications from this app, then let me show you how you can stop them once and for all. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, now to be able to do this, we need to access this app information page, and you can simply do this through settings. So if I go to settings, scroll down until you see this option called apps. Now for the sake of this tutorial, I'm using a Redmi smartphone. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. From here, proceed and tap on this option called manage apps. On your smartphone, it might be written all apps or more apps depending on your version. Now from this, proceed and look for your app. And as you can see, my app is here. So I'll go ahead and tap on it. Now from here, you can see we are on the app information page. Now, if you're getting a challenge to get to this page, then let me show you a shortcut method to get to the app information page. Now, for that, just go back and look for your app. And once you're on your app, go ahead and long press on it and then choose this option called app info. If you tap on it, you can see you will still get to the same page. From this, scroll down until you see this option called notifications. As you can see, currently notifications are turned on, and that's why we have a yes there. And look at all these notifications that are on. Now, instead of turning off each and every one of them, just go ahead and toggle this show notifications off, and it will turn off all the other types of notifications. So that's how you stop permanently pop-up notifications on your Microsoft Teams app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.